Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ashwagandha and Shatavari for weight gain. These powerful Ayurvedic herbs offer a natural approach to increasing body mass. Ashwagandha helps manage stress, which can sometimes hinder weight gain efforts. Shatavari supports digestion and nutrient absorption, crucial for building healthy weight. Together, they create a synergistic effect, promoting a balanced and effective weight gain journey. Let's dive into how to incorporate them easily. Ashwagandha, often called Indian ginseng, is fantastic for weight gain because it tackles stress. High stress can make it hard to gain weight, but ashwagandha helps lower cortisol. It also supports muscle growth, especially when you're working out. Plus, many find it improves their appetite and digestion, making it easier to eat enough calories. Aim for a dosage of 300 to 500 milligrams daily. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, right? While you're working on your health, make sure your ride smells great too. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. You can find the link for it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk about Shatavari, often called the Queen of Herbs. It's excellent for weight gain because it deeply nourishes the body. Shatavari significantly improves digestion, ensuring your body absorbs more nutrients from your food. It also helps balance hormones, creating a more conducive environment for healthy weight gain. Many people find it boosts their appetite and soothes their digestive tract. A typical dose is 500 milligrams twice daily. Combining these two herbs is simple. You can mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of each powder into a glass of warm milk or water. Drink this mixture once or twice daily, preferably with meals. Start with a smaller dose to see how your body reacts, then slowly increase. Remember, consistency is vital for Ayurvedic remedies. Stick with it for at least 4 to 6 weeks to truly experience the benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.